arms beat up again. For all true soldiers, gentlemen, let us list and march, I say, over the hills and far away, over the hills and o'er the main. The Flanders Forge with Null and Spain, we have commands and will obey. Back home, back home.
I got a little wet from the roof. That's okay. I got the roof on, nice and finished. I got the wood laid out to dry out overnight a little bit so I can chop it up. Stick it in the wood thing here behind me for the winter. And try to chop up and process as much of that stuff as possible tomorrow, if not all of it. I hope to get it all out of there. The wood in the woodshed it looks like it's wet. I don't know if that's because the rain's coming in the front, or if because the roof may have a couple of holes in it, which it doesn't look like the roof has holes. I think it's probably just coming in from the front. So I'll work on waterproofing that a little bit, as well as chopping a whole bunch of wood. And I got the sawhorses. I'm just going to process all this wood into firewood for the fall. I may not need it, considering that I'll be clearing out brush and burning the brush mostly in the fall and the winter time. But it's nice to have it stacked and stocked. To have it stacked and stocked right over here and have that full of firewood. Just makes life easier. I will see you in a little bit when it's time to start doing work.
تفضل يا عزيز.
Another one, you moron!
That's it for now. Maybe I'll do some more later, but that's it for now. Whew.
You are watching Minuteman Mountain on YouTube. Stay tuned after the credits for more. And a special thanks to my subscribers. Subscribing is the best way to support Minuteman Mountain. And another good way is sharing my videos with your friends so they can subscribe as well. Whether you are subscribed or not, remember to binge watch Minuteman Mountain. The best way to do this is to view my channel and go to my playlist, scroll down and pick out one of your favorite miniseries. By doing this, you help Minuteman Mountain raise his watch hours and reach new goals. Thanks again for watching. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. And this is Minuteman Mountain signing off, reminding you to stay ready. Manere paratus.
Watch another one. I think that's most likely what I'll do. Break down the pallets where they're sitting on and clear it out. And get it ready to put the kitchen space on that side. I think that's a perfect spot right there. The shower will be here, and then the kitchen will be off, and that'll close this in, and then I'll have some sort of gate or door or something to go to that side. So the plan is to build off like this, right? And right here, just like this is right here. Take this and build it out here and have this as the kitchen, have the shower here. And when that's like that, this space from here to here, I can put a little fence or something like that to keep. But that's the junkyard. That'll go to the junkyard. And I'll still keep this as the junkyard back here, but I want to clear this out. I did get my measurements, so I should be able to prepare to get the sink and build the second cot and bring that up on the next trip.